Chartered Accountancy, CA, is one of the most popular courses in India, especially if you're from a BCom or accounting background. However, I was very clear right from my 11th standard that CA is something I do not want to do. You want to know why? You gotta keep watching. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you why I never wanted to do CA in spite of it being one of the most popular and most prestigious courses in India. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take that 1 second and hit the subscribe button. Please help me achieve what I want to if you've ever liked my content by subscribing to the channel. If you're already a part of this channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So, disclaimer, this is my story, it is my reason, it is not really backed by figures or numbers. It was my opinion back then when I was in 11th grade. It is still an opinion I stick to, but it's an opinion, it's not a fact. And I have nothing against the CA certification. I just said it, it is one of the most prestigious courses, it is one of the most difficult courses, and I have immense amount of respect for everybody who does it. But I am sharing with you my reason for not doing it, my personal reason. So the story goes back to my end of 10th standard where we had to make a choice for our 11th grade कि हमें आर्ट्स में जाना है, कॉमर्स में जाना है, साइंस में जाना है, एंड आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि मुझे कॉमर्स ही करना है. रीजन बीइंग वेरी वेरी सिंपल. साइंस में कभी मुझे कोई ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, थोड़ा सा बायो में था. लाइक आई वांटेड टू बी अ डॉक्टर. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ अस एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स वांटेड टू, बट खून मुझसे देखा नहीं जाता. सो बाकी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और कुछ में तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट था नहीं. सो देन आर्ट्स में आई थॉट कि थियोरी बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. मतलब इवन दो आई लव्ड learning or hearing about psychology, but the fact that theory मुझे लगा बहुत इंटेंसिव होगा, नंबर्स थोड़े कम होंगे. सो बचा कॉमर्स जिसके लिए आई लाइक मैथ्स, आई लाइक इंग्लिश, आई लाइक इको. सो लाइक ग्रेट. Accounting was something new and I was not very keen on doing it, not because I don't like numbers, I love numbers in fact, but because I don't like change. तो मुझे लगा कौन सा नया सब्जेक्ट आया है लाइफ में, टाइप्स लाइक नया कुछ आता है ना तो आई गेट अ लिटिल वरिड. सो आई वाज वेरी averse from accounting, but irony of life, I actually fell in love with it and I scored very well. It became my highest performing subject. I became one of the best students in class. So sometimes you don't know where life is taking you guys. Never say never in my opinion, क्योंकि मैंने कहा था अपने 11th में जब मैं आई थी कि I never want to do accounts and I will never like accounts and falana dimkana. I will tell you that story one day. Let me know in the comment section, 11 12 standard kids, of how I went from an 8 on 80 to a 94 on 100. So yeah, anyway, moving on from there. So I was pretty sure I was gonna do commerce, and I was also thinking back then ki should I do law or should I do CA? Like that was a question most of my batchmates were doing. So law I did not do majorly because of the theory. I thought it's too theory focused again, and I'm not very good at dealing with theory, so I wanted to stay away. And CA, in fact, I was very very sure कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है, which is very surprising. Because if I wanted to go in commerce, it should have been a thought, right? कि यार CA करना है कि नहीं करना है types. But I was very sure. In fact, law के लिए मैंने काफ़ी सोचा था कि करूँ नहीं करूँ, because थोड़ा सा interest था. But CA, I was like very firm from the very start कि CA तो मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं बनना. And I'll tell you why. मेरा बड़ा simple thought था उस point पे कि यार CA का course का core क्या है? It is accounting, it is taxation, it is auditing. By the way, guys, sorry for the voice. Anyway. CA का core is accounting, taxation, auditing, which basically मोटा मोटी layman language में means कि कुछ set rules हैं, कुछ set regulations हैं हर country के. It's separate for every country. Basis that you have to learn how to record your finances or file your taxes or make audits and dependingly crunch numbers as and when needed, balance the debit to credit. So I was like ये मुझे नहीं करना because I found it very very mundane. मुझे लगा इसमें ज़्यादा क्या दिमाग लगाएंगे, अगर हमें rules and regulations पता है then you can easily just record left and right. Like I said, it is not just this बहुत ज़्यादा deep work होता है, but that was my thought process कि यार ये main ऊपर से अगर हम theoretically देखें तो यही है ना. तो I was like कि अगर मेरे को rules and regulations पता होंगे तो what else am I thinking? I just know the rules and regulations and I'm working around it. So somehow that felt uncomfortable to me. I felt कि in the future ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई टेक्नोलॉजी ना आए जो ये बेसिक्स कर. Because at that time Tally was pretty famous and I'm like already we are seeing things coming up कि यार होगा ही ना, some machine, some algorithm, something would come up who can record these figures for you, who can file your taxes for you. Like you will not need to go to somebody, you'll be able to do these things on your own. थोड़ा सा गूगल करके भी आप मैनेज कर लोगे। तो ये मुझे इस रीजन के लिए सही नहीं लगा। आई फील लाइक इसका वर्क वाइज स्कोप आगे इतना नहीं है। Do I still feel the same? To a certain extent, yes. Not taking away anything from the course. Like I said, what I'm saying is very tip of the iceberg. All भी काम होते हैं, but this is my personal opinion. And somewhere it did not sit well with me, and that's why I decided not to go ahead with it. Why am I sharing this with you? Is because it's okay if you don't run in the rat race, especially for my 11th and 12th graders. It's fine. Just because everybody is doing CA doesn't mean it's right for you. मेरे almost सारे friends ने किए थे, सारे batchmates ने किए थे, मैंने अटेम्प्ट भी नहीं किया। एंड लाइक आई सेड इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन, आई एम डूइंग प्रीटी वेल टुडे, टच वुड। सो इट्स ओके। ऑल्सो इन फैक्ट मेरा एक और थॉट था, मुझे पता था कि सीए इज ओनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन इंडिया, सो आई वाज लाइक not that I had plans of getting out of India anytime soon, but somewhere I always wanted to do a degree that I knew is recognized everywhere. Degree, certification, whatever. I just wanted whatever things I'm getting on paper should be recognized everywhere, जो मुझे पता था सीए का नहीं है। So that was also an additional thought. तो या अगर आपका ये भी रीजन है तो काफी वैलिड रीजन है, और अगर बस यही रीजन है कि मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है सीए में, तो भी बहुत ज्यादा वैलिड रीजन है। Just because something is popular, it is famous, it is prestigious, CA is in fact one of the toughest exams in India, and everybody is doing it, doesn't mean it's right for you. You have to choose what is right for you, like I did. And now, like you can see, गले की आवाज में पूरी खत्म होने वाली है, so I will stop talking. But if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, please, please. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.